first time I got a lead through social media, I was ecstatic. I thought I finally cracked the code. I can post a few videos, get leads coming in every single day. And I can get qualified prospects to book in a call with me and hear me out on what I have to offer them. And I could do all of this without begging them, which was the best part. Listen, you may be a business that's doing pretty well for yourself, but you're just not happy with the way you're actually getting clients. You could be relying on referrals all the time, which is really inconsistent. Or worse, you could be doing cold outreach, which is training, which most of the time you get told to F off doing, okay? And don't worry, I've been there. So in this video, I want to run you through some social media secrets to gain inbound leads fast. And I'm going to be showing you on this little whiteboard here so you can see everything that I'm going to be going through. I'm actually going to put a time limit on this, so within 30 days you'll be able to do this. So like, this is a time limit. I'm going to give you actionable steps that if you implement, you'll be getting your first inbound lead within 30 days. And if you're new to the channel, my name's James, owner of Magnify Your Content Media. I've been able to get me and my clients over 100+ million views on social media, and you can just imagine how many inbound leads that has led to. I do this for clients literally every single day, so I know what I'm speaking about, and we actually help them implement a system that I'm going to run you through to get the inbound leads. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. If you want leads, you need content. So for the first like 5 to 10 days, you're just going to be posting content, okay? 5 to 10 days equals content, okay? Because you need an organic foundation before you even worry about anything else, okay? So you're going to post one piece of short form content on Instagram every single day for those 5 to 10 days. If you could do 2, that would be brilliant because it would be more content, but 1's fine. I would normally say create 3 different types of content, which would be growth, niche, and social proof. But as we're just starting this account, you really just need to focus on growth, because what a lot of people don't understand is they say go niche all the time. When you go niche when you're first starting out, yes, you're going to go to your ideal client, but you're not even going to be able to go enough people that you go to many ideal clients, and most of them won't convert. So if you go a bit broader but still speak directly to your ideal clients' pains, you're going to go to a bigger audience. Yes, a percentage of them aren't going to be your ideal client, but a bigger percentage of them are going to be your ideal client, and that's why I suggest creating growth content. So an example of a growth piece of content would be, what I like to do for growth pieces of content is research my industry, okay? So I like to research my industry. You can go to like online, you can go to something called sort feed. It's like an extension that you can use to sort your favorite creators best performing reels, and what you can do is take those ideas from it and then add your own unique spin to it, because you don't want to reinvent the wheel for growth content. Especially when you're first starting out, you're not going to be able to just reinvent the wheel, find a viral idea. It's a testing phase that you need to go through, but you don't need to test if you're creating growth content, because you can literally look at other creators within your industry that's content has performed well, and you can implement it but add your own unique spin to it, okay? So that's what you're going to do. You're going to create growth content every single day, well, try to every single day, and you're going to research your industry. You can even go to social media platforms, just search in your industry, filter by most liked or most viewed, and then you can find what's working, what kind of topics working. You can add your own unique spin to it. So for example, I just found a piece of content within my industry. It was speaking about the top 3 creators to watch to gain knowledge about content. He was just speaking, but what I'm going to do is reveal it on the whiteboard. Okay, so you can change it up, you can add your own unique spin to it, and of course I'm probably going to change up the creators who he said, okay? I also want you to use something called ManyChat as leverage. And also what ManyChat is, it's basically a automation platform. So you know why you've probably seen all these creators say, comment the word keyword, I'll send you over a free training. That's something called ManyChat, okay? And basically ManyChat is an automation platform. When someone comments a keyword, it's going to send them over that thing that you said you're going to give them straight away. It can also grab their email and add it to your email list. But the most important thing here is it's going to start a conversation with these people. Okay, if you did grab their email, what you could do is hit them from another angle with emails, with newsletters, whatever you create, and this will just warm them up even more. But the conversation is the most important part, because you can have a conversation with them and set them on a call. So you should now have at least 10 pieces of short form organic content on your page. They should be getting decent views because you're using ManyChat as leverage, and this increases engagement because people are going to comment all those keywords over and over again. Okay, what you really need to realize is engagement, watch time, shares and saves are the most important metrics on Instagram to get your video pushed out to more people. The next part is crucial, and without this part you will literally be stuck relying on an algorithm which you can't control, and potentially literally not going to your ideal clients, which is a bad thing, because you won't get any clients if you're not going to your ideal client. You need to run something called an Instagram profile visit ad. Okay, so I like to call it an IG profile visit. And this is basically organic content on steroids, and I like to call it this because you're paying, it's really cheap, $10 to $15 to $30 a day. You can pay for ideal clients to get onto your page. Okay, and with the algorithm, you can't, as I said, you can't control this algorithm because you don't know who it's going to go to. You don't know if it's going to go to your ideal client or not. So to make sure you go to your ideal client, you can run Instagram profile visit ads as top of funnel to get ideal clients onto your page, to scroll through your organic content to build up trust for you, and this is going to nurture them. Okay, they're going to keep on seeing your content, keep on seeing their content, keep on seeing your content, keep on seeing your content, and this is really just going to keep on pushing them slightly over the edge until they decide to buy from you. And by the way guys, if you're an online service-based business, or you're an online coach, or you're just a business in general and you're making 6 figures plus a year, and you want all of this done for you, you want to build your personal brand, become a go-to authority, and most importantly get 15 extra clients within 90 days guaranteed, or you get a full refund, just check out the first link in the description. It's going to take you to a video just explaining what we do in more detail, and if you want to book in a call you can. If not, don't worry, keep on watching my free content. It's also going to show you a bunch of clients results we've been able to get for clients, so go check that out. But back to the video, and all this cheap ad does is make sure you get ideal clients onto your profile. And this ad follows a real simple framework. The framework is call out your ideal client, so you're going to call them out. Okay, you're going to call out your exact ICP, your exact ideal client. You're going to list a couple pain points, so what pain you should know your ideal client, you're going to list those pain points out, and then you can either say follow at the start, so follow me for more content like this, or follow me if you want to learn like this, or at the end, which I'll explain in a minute, you can say follow. But the next thing you're going to do is then list like the solution to those pain points, your solution, and then finally at the end you're going to say something like follow me and scroll through my content if you want to learn more about those things that I just went through, or if you want to learn more about how you can desired outcome without pain point, because I create content like this every day, running you through exactly how to do that for free, for example. Okay, so these people are going to follow you. The best part about this ad is you can target your exact ideal client. Let's just say, for example, like you're targeting a location, you can target that location. You can call out your exact ideal client, so only ideal clients are going to follow you. They're going to follow you, okay, and then they're going to scroll through your organic content. They're going to build up trust for you. They're going to get nurtured, and then just book in a call. Or if you have a next stage of your funnel, they're going to move over to that stage of the funnel. People are going to start messaging you from this as well when they can start going through your organic content, building up trust over time. They're going to start seeing you over and over again, start messaging you, that they're inbound leads right there. Or you can reach out to these people who interact. They do class as inbound leads as well, because they're interacting with your content. I wouldn't say they're proper inbound leads, but they're kind of. But yeah, they're either going to reach out to you, then you can set them on a call, or you can reach out to them, or they're just going to book in a call with your book a call link, which you should have somewhere on your profile, in your link, or on a different stage of your funnel. Or you can use my very secret Instagram story hack. Most people use Instagram stories the wrong way. You should be making offers on there, but not boring offers. People only buy from really story offers, and that's exactly why it's called stories. So follow this framework that I'm going to run you through. I don't know where my rubber's gone. Where's it gone? I don't know where it's gone, but I can't put it on here. I'll just rub it out like this, I guess. But yeah, follow this really simple framework that I'm going to run through. What you're going to do first of all, you're going to put a poll on your story, and this poll is going to be something that you know your ideal client's going to answer, and like you know what they're going to answer. So for example, you could say something like this: are you struggling with building a personal, for example, for me, let's do a fitness example because this is the easiest example and I'm huge. Are you struggling to lose belly fat at the moment? Yes or no, for example. They're obviously going to answer yes, or yes, I am struggling. Or you can put 2 yes answers if you really want to. And on the next story, you're going to put a result, or you could do yourself. You could explain that you went through that same thing as well. So you're going to explain that you're going through the same thing, or you went through the same thing, or your client went through the same thing. So you're basically going to give them a little story. Okay, so you're going to struggle. Okay, so you're going to make them feel heard and understood. On the next story, you're going to explain how that problem got solved, but you're not going to go into detail about it, okay? So basically desired outcome, okay? You're going to explain a desired outcome, you're going to explain how you got to a desired outcome or your client got to a desired outcome. And then on the next story, you're going to add even more social proof. So if you explained yourself, how you did it yourself, you can then add a client result, or if you explained how a client did it, you can add, oh, this even worked for me, how I went from so-and-so, so-and-so. So the 4th story is just social proof. And this is taking them through like kind of like a story sequence, okay? So social proof. And the last story, what you're going to put is a poll. You're going to say, do you want the same results of this? And then you're going to put the poll answers as F yeah or 100%. And okay, everyone who answers this is a lead. So all you're going to do is reach out to them and set them on a call, okay? You can see where they're at, see where they want to get to, see what's stopping them from getting there, see if they even qualify, and then offer the call. Really as simple as that, okay? So that is how you can get inbound leads fast through your social media page. People are just going to start booking in calls with you. They're going to start reaching out to you. You can use the story frameworks as leverage, and you can use the appointment setting frameworks as leverage. And I guarantee within 30 days, if you implement all of this, you will be getting inbound leads. And if you're selling high ticket and you're getting a few inbound leads, that's very good for just posting a few videos. So I hope you got some value from this video. And if you want to learn how we implemented this for our client and made him $5,000 from just one video, you can check this video up here. I think it's up here or it's up here. It's somewhere on the screen. Go check that out. It's a banger. But I hope you got some value from this. Thanks for watching and peace.